Hey everyone, welcome back to my blog. Today we're talking about something that's crucial in the welding industry. Its advantage and disadvantages. Welding plays a huge role in construction, manufacturing, and repairs. But like any skills or professions, it has its pros and cons. Let's dive right in. There are 5 advantages of welding and disadvantages of welding. So first we're gonna talk about the advantages of welding. First advantages of welding is a strong and durable joints. One of the biggest advantages of welding is that it creates strong permanent joints. Unlike bolting and riveting, welded connections are seamless and can withstand heavy loads and extreme conditions. Second is versatility in application. Welding is used in construction, automotive repair, shipbuilding, and even artwork. With different welding techniques available, it's a skill that applies to many industries. Third is cost effective for large projects. Welding reduces the need for additional materials, nuts, bolts, making it more cost effective options, especially for large scale projects. Is high demand and job opportunities. Welding industries offers many job opportunities worldwide. Skilled welders are always in demand and a great career choice with stable income potential. Advancement in technology, automation, and robotic welding. The industry is becoming more efficient, allowing for faster and more precise welding processes. And now I'm gonna talk about the 5 disadvantages of welding. First is safety hazard. One of the biggest challenges in welding is safety. Welders are exposed to extreme heat, sparks, and toxic fumes, which can lead to burns, eye damage, and respiratory issues if proper precautions aren't taken. Second is required skilled labor. Welding isn't something you can just pick up overnight. It requires training, certification, and experience to perform high quality welds safely. Third is high energy consumption. Welding consumes a lot of electricity and fuel, making it an energy intensive process. This can increase operational costs, especially in industrial scale welding. Fourth is risk of welding defects. If not done properly, welding can result in weak joints, crack, or distortion. Been experienced welders to double check their work to ensure high quality. Fifth is health and environmental concern. Welding fumes and gases can be harmful to both workers and the environment. Proper ventilation and protective equipment are crucial to minimize the health risks. So, as you can see, welding has both its disadvantages and advantages. While it's a highly valuable skill with great career opportunities, it also comes with risks that requires proper training and safety measures. If you are interested in welding, always prioritize safety and continuous learning.